Look at all the dirt we were able to pull out of the carpet in here. That's disgusting. And I can even see some larger particles down there floating. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Carpet Cleaner. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here with the Bissell logo and branding and a simple graphic on it. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see our product literature right here. We have information on the Bissell Pet Foundation. We have some important information before you begin to use the product. You need to remove the dirty water tank and tighten the ring prior to first use. Then you can see we have our product registration followed by our user guide and manual walking us through everything we need to know from assembly to the different formulas that are available, how to fill and empty the water tank, clean your carpets, and how to care for the unit itself with their customer service and contact information directly on the manual. Next, we have a cap for our clean water tank right here. You can see we have our water fill line and our formula fill line right there. Then you can see they do include 8 ounces of Bissell Pro Max Clean and Protect formula. Then we have our handle, 2 different pieces with the Bissell logo and branding. And we have our cable management on here, which is great so we can wind up and store easily the power cord. Here's the top part of our handle and the unit with our trigger, some more cable management. And last but not least, here's the rest of the unit itself. Let's go ahead, let's look at that in more detail. So here's a look at the unit up close, check it out. Everything looks great. Watch as we tip it up. We have our dirty water tank right here. We pull to remove from both sides and it comes right out. Again, before first use, we want to make sure that we have this tightened down in place. You can see it even labels dirty water for us and our full indicator right there. Nice grip handle, Bissell's logo and branding. Then you can see we need to regularly clean this red filter. We can also remove this to clean as needed. It just snaps right back on in place. Now let's go ahead, let's tip it around so we can look at it from the bottom side. So check it out. We have our nice brush roller right here to clean for us. And then you can see right here, we have a green hinge. So we can press this lever to release it when we're vacuuming, which is great with our foot. And then on this side, you can see we have our toggle on and off power switch right there. And we have a really nice and long integrated power cable. Now let's go ahead, let's get this set up. So you can see we have our 3 parts that need to be assembled right here. First up, we have our handle. So let's go ahead, let's line them up and just snap it in place. So you can see right there, we now have that unit connected and we're ready to install it to our base unit. Just gonna line it up, same thing, and just gently press in place. So it's lined up and then you hear the snap, you're all set and ready to go. And last but not least, we have our clean water tank right here. Very simple to install. It just slides right down and snaps in place and then repeat that to remove it. So you can see right here on the unit itself, just line it up, slides right in place. There you go. And pull to remove. Now let's go ahead, let's fill everything up and start cleaning. All right, so you can see the bedroom that we're gonna clean and there were pets living in here. And you may be able to notice over here in the carpet, those brown spots are stains. So we have a stain there, stains there, and a stain there. So hopefully we're able to clean this carpet. It's gonna look a lot better than its current condition. You can also see too, here's the cleaner all set and ready to go. We have our water tank filled with our solution as well. So now let's go ahead and clean. So check it out, now we successfully cleaned half of the room right here. What you won't notice in the video is what you'll notice in person, and the room smells so much better. So you can really smell the cleaner in a good way. It's not overbearing like bleach or anything like that, but it's just gonna help freshen up your room, freshen up your carpet, and obviously you can even see we have a noticeable difference in how clean the one side is versus the side that we haven't cleaned yet. So check it out, you can see we just finished cleaning our room and everything turned out great. We almost finished the whole tank of water, so keep in mind maybe one tank per room depending on how many passes you make, how much cleaner and solution you're applying to your carpet. Best bet is to go ahead to give it a nice thorough clean per their recommendation. You're gonna make your pass forward and back with the trigger held down, applying your solution. Then you're gonna make another pass back and forth to suck all that solution back up, and you can repeat that as needed. Sometimes I like to apply more solution over an area if I know there's a stain. Other times I want it to be lighter on the solution, but it's up to you. You can find out what works best with a little bit of trial and error per your situation. But overall, count me impressed. The room now smells nice and clean and fresh. And most importantly, the carpets look great. So I'm back down on the carpet right now. Wanted to show you guys those stains that we looked at earlier, and I can't even find them at all anymore. And in case you're wondering, how wet is the carpet? So I'm gonna rub my hand on it right here, and you can see my hand is actually pretty wet. So it's damp. You could also make more passes to continue to dry that out. And if you want to turn on a ceiling fan, a box fan, or anything else, that would definitely help too. But check that out. Those stains that we had earlier in the carpet no longer can even be found. Lastly, I wanted to show you guys the contents of our dirty water bin. Check that out. Look at all the dirt we were able to pull out of the carpet in here. That's disgusting. And I can even see some larger particles down there floating, maybe some gathering you can see at the bottom right there. So kind of some crumbs, sticks, things you'd find in a vacuum cleaner as well. But check that out. Look at how dirty and gross that water is, and we pulled all of that right here out of this carpet. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.